Guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm here with Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly beauty box curated by the editors of Allure magazine. It is $22 a month, full of different skincare and beauty items. Yeah, some full size, some samples, some deluxe, some travel. You're gonna get a whole mix of it. You do get really cool things when you sign up, like free gifts and stuff. I do have an affiliate link. I will put that in the description down below. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. This is not sent to me for review. Just so you guys know before we get in here, this is, 100% my thoughts, my opinions. And yeah, I did peek in here, but that was when I got it, which was, I've been on vacation like all summer, I feel like. And so it was a while ago and I don't remember. So inside we get what they call like a mini magazine. This lists each of the items in your box, as well as the alternate items. There are always a couple items that you either get one or the other. And we'll look at those at the end. Okay. And then there's this. There's a lot to unpack. Tips from their editors on how to use products. And then shop like a beauty editor with 80% off if you're a subscriber. So there's that. Not bad, right? All right. So first up is from 111 Skin. I feel like this company is in every beauty box right now. Kind of odd, right? Like they're just everywhere. They're super high end, but like, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I'm like, is it worth it? I have no idea. It's not Murad, you know what I mean? So this is their Y Theorem Day Cream, NAC Y2 Creme de Jour, developed by, okay. This 111 Skin product contains the novel NAC Y2 formula, a unique fusion of actives which help to alleviate visible signs of aging and damage. So I'm going to try this out. I did notice I'm starting to get, from squinting, lines over here. Are they wrinkles if they're there when your eye is regular? Are they wrinkles even if you're squinting? That's something I wonder. These are the things I think in my head. That's an ADD brain for you. So there's that. I know these are really high priced items. So like it's a huge grab to have them in the box. It's like, but sometimes I'm like, would I use this? Would I buy that? I don't know. I don't know, girl. All right, next up we have blush serum. This is from Botanic Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream Color. I do like these little, containers. There's something aesthetically pleasing about them to me, and that's just how I feel. It feels like it's gonna smell like a flower, but also a fruit. Do you know, right? Doesn't it? All right, let's see here. Ooh, that's bright. Woo! You cry, girl. You think I'm gonna put that on my cheeks? Oh no, like that was a tiny bit. That's a bad idea. This, go in lightly. Did I get it on my nose? Oh, I really hope. If I do the rest of this video with red stuff on my nose, I think I'll be okay. But girl, please be careful. That is intense. Holy guac. I was gonna wipe it on this tissue paper I have right here. The finger stuff. Kind of, does it even like, that is like, that's intense. That's just not like, that's crazy. That's cry, girl. All right. It's not what I thought it was. All right. Decorte AQ. This is Serum Absolute Firming Lift Contour Serum. I don't understand. I think I have to look into it more, how these firming serums work. I'm guessing there's like a collagen. This high performance serum with powerful double peptides. So these are, help support skin's natural collagen network, revealing a toned, tightened, and lifted appearance. Silky to the touch, it instantly melts into skin, delivering youthful density for a redefined, sculpted contour with newfound firmness and elasticity. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to fingertips and a massage into lifting motions over face, neck, and décolleté. And so there's that. I think this is a sample size. Let's see. Yeah, I'm guessing that's a smaller one. There's that. I'll try it out. There's a lot of skincare in this box. That's it. If you're looking for just makeup, I'd go with something else, maybe like BoxyCharm or Ipsy. But yeah, so anyway, here we have Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner from Haru Wonder. I will not be using this. I can't use hyaluronic acid. But anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're already at 4. We have 6 total products in this box, which is a lot, right? This is from Real Her I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze Eyeliner. That sounds like fun. Ooh, I like that. I like Real Her too. I have some lip products from them that I really enjoyed. So here it is. I am, and I'll try to remember to insert some swatches. It kind of has a it is very pretty. I do like that. It goes on nice too. So there's that. All right, so we're gonna move on to our final item in this box, and then we'll look at the insert. This is from Mediheal. This is NMF Intensive Hydrating Mask, Natural Moisturizing Factor. NMF solution quenches dry skin by locking in natural moisture for long-lasting hydration, hydrating, tightening, and refining. So I'd have to look at the ingredients to make sure there's no hyaluronic acid. I know that's so like I can't. But like I've learned, it makes my skin red. So I actually have been using more sheet masks. I know that they're kind of over, I feel like, but I do use them occasionally just to like hydrate my skin. Like if I go out for hikes in the summer and stuff like that, just kind of makes everything soaked up. And now that I don't wear glasses, it's a lot easier. So let's go over the values of the items in the box. I do think this month's box is amazing. $22 for all this stuff is pretty great. Pretty phenomenal if you ask me. The 111 skin is $270 right there. Like boom, right out the park. The AM Resilient from Real Her is $16. The Botanic Beauty Blush Serum in Magenta Sky is $16. Girl, that's cray. I don't know. The NMF mask is $19.90. Ooh, that's... alternately, there was Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice. Oh no, we got that. That's $37 for the full size. We didn't get that. The Day Court Moisture... Okay, so that's the alternate item. Daycourt was all three of the alternative items. There was the Daycourt Moisture Liposome Serum or the Vitabrid. Oh, Vitabrid. Daycourt or Vitabrid. C12 Dual Drop Serum. But what I received was the Daycourt AQ Serum Absolute, which was $235 for the full size. This is definitely not the full size. So, I mean, I think the box makes sense if you're going to use all the items. Even if you're not going to use if you're going to use most of the items, still worth it. If you love to get like a surprise box of beauty items each month, if you collect beauty items, if you have way too many beauty items and you kind of won't stop, this is definitely a subscription you're going to want to try out. No complaints here. If you're interested in checking out Allure, do that down below with my affiliate link. Also check out my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.